Welcome back everyone to the Hello World Guy. Alright guys, so we have been doing the Dome series for quite a while now, and it's kind of pretty cool, and we have got like a completely functional static renderer for our Dome. Of course, it's not like a full-fledged source port. It doesn't actually have any of the sprites, and it does not have any dynamic behavior, but as far as being a static renderer for Doom that is running on modern OpenGL instead of the old stuff, it's working quite well, and it's pretty much, you can see, alright. We can go ahead and you can see we have all of the textures here correctly. We have got the sky rendering working correctly, and all of this is using 3D acceleration with OpenGL, and it's not like software mode like original Doom, the original Doom was. And we have got like animated flats here implemented too, and that looks pretty cool. What about what we are going to do now? Well, we could go ahead and take this engine and try to make like a full source port out of it, but that would be a bit too much for a tutorial, I think. And this tutorial should help you get a lot of get comfortable using OpenGL, because it uses quite a lot of features from OpenGL, like stencil buffers and custom, like multiple different vertex layouts, and using stuff like editing buffers on the fly and all of that stuff. So this is kind of like a good project for like learning OpenGL. But as far as what we are gonna do on the channel after this, so I've got a couple of ideas, but the one I am leaning towards is that we are going to do a reboot of a series that we did earlier, which is the Raycaster series, and we're going to go ahead and try to make that into like a full-fledged game with all of the mechanics, enemies, weapons, and like basically kind of make a Wolfenstein 3D clone. And you can also perhaps look into loading the original maps as well, but we are going to actually make it completely functional and not just a render like it is already. So that's going to be pretty cool. So let me know your thoughts about that in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video in which we are going to start that series. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss that, and share this video with other people as well. And